Queen!
God save the Queen!
God save the Queen!
Get ready for those huzzahs! What? We're huzzahs. Oh, I'm more of a huzzah yourself. There's a huzzah. Hooray!
Look at them, they just go stand in the road.
Squad! Out! By the right face. What the? Up. Stand ace. On the ground, stand easy, you will fall out and make your way upstairs. Squad fall out. Good people of the township of Ballarat, citizens of Empire. What you see before you is a group of men wearing the uniform and the colours of the 40th 2nd Somersetshire Regiment of Foot, which was formed in Nova Scotia in what will become Canada in the year 1717. Since that time, it has become one of the most highly decorated regiments in Her Majesty's line. It has served throughout the continents of the world. It has taken part in action in Egypt, Portugal, Spain, the North and South Americas, India and China, to name but a few. Its greatest moment was undoubtedly at the Battle of Waterloo, where the entire regiment at that time was personally congratulated by the Iron Duke himself, the Duke of Wellington, upon the extraordinary bravery of those men while facing the forces of His Imperial Majesty, Napoleon Bonaparte. Since that time, we have once again resumed a troubleshooting role, and here in your Antipodean colonies, we have been involved in the escort of gold from Ballarat to Melbourne town. We also took part in something what you miners insist on referring to as your battle with the Eureka Stockade. Was it much of a battle? We woke up early one Sunday morning and we walked right over the top of you. Took us 15 minutes. We're home in time for a nice hot breakfast. 22 of you never required breakfast again. What we're about to do now is fire off a series of shots. I take this opportunity to warn you, these are exceptionally loud. These are not small caliber pop guns. These are 58 caliber rifled muskets. These are handheld cannon. Therefore, if you have a small child or bubby with you, you will ensure that its ears are covered, or its ears will be a-ringing. It will be a-crying, and it won't be my fault. Squad, order, halt, advance, halt, shoulder, halt. Drummer, stand fast, firing party, one pace forward, march. Squad will prepare to fire in series from the left. Port, arms. Fingers in your ears. I am not joking. Squad, present. Arm. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Shoulder, arms. Order, arms. Thank you for that round of applause. What will happen now is my men will fall out and descend from upon this high place. They will then spread themselves along the road, whereupon you can have a pictorial memorial taken standing next to them. This will be the highlight of your day. What we'd ask, ladies and gentlemen, please be aware, try not to get too close to them. They're rather smelly. Squad, forward, up!
go. Let's go. It's 2 o'clock. Let's go.
Turn this off.